A very cheerful morning to the Director of Academics, Academic in Charge, Head of Curriculum, Secondary Coordinator, my dear students, teachers, and all those who are watching this e-quiz. I, Miss Anindita Datta, on behalf of Rainbow International School, welcome you all to witness yet another event, Grade 1 and 2 EVS Quiz Finale for the year 2020-21. Nature is painting for us day after day pictures of infinite beauty, which is why, our beloved students, it is important to know as much as you can about the environment and how you can protect it like it nourishes you. Welcome to your EVS quiz. We shall examine all that you have learned this far and what you know about nature's elements that are key to mankind's survival. Your knowledge will one day make this world a better place. So, wear your thinking caps and let's explore all that you know about the world that you live in. So, children, take a deep breath, sit back, and have lots of fun. Now, I would like to introduce all the participants of the EVS quiz. Students, just wave your hands as your names are called out. We start with the Cygnus team. And here we go. Master Aro Gavaskar from 1G, Miss Sonalika Grover from 1A Anand Nagar, Miss Anjika Gadge from 2A Anand Nagar, Master Vaidik Mittal from 2A. Coming to next, Delphinus House. Miss Avika Tiriyar from 1C, Miss Vedangi Dani from 1B, Miss Kimaya Joshi from 2B, Miss Shefalika Basu from 2B. Coming to next, Pegasus House. Master Arav Baheti from 1A Agarwal, Miss Veda Patil from 1A Anand Nagar, Master Ayansh Dongade from 2A, Miss Shrishti Ghosh from 2A. Next is Phoenix House, Miss Myra Mahajan from 1A, Miss Inaya Ahmad from 1B Agarwal, Master Raj Thakur Desai from 2C, and Miss Yomi Ravindran from 2A Agarwal. Welcome to you all. Now, let's see the general instructions. Listen carefully. Each house will unmute themselves and answer only when question is asked to that particular house. No extra time will be given after the completion of allotted time limit to answer a particular question. If two students of the same house have a different answer for the same question, then they will decide among themselves and give the final answer. Last but not the least, no prompting is allowed. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. Okay? Now let's start with our first round, that is our general round. There will be 4 rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3, and round 4. Let's see the instructions for general round. Each team would be asked 4 questions, objective type questions. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. Now, are you all ready? So, only Cygnus House will unmute themselves. Here we go. The first question to Cygnus House is, the nose has two holes called hollow, duct, pinholes, or nostrils. And your time starts now.
Nostril.
Pardon?
Nostril.
Bingo! Correct. Now the next question goes to Delphin's house. Now, Delphinus, unmute yourself. An animal that lives in cobweb is called a dash. Rabbit.
Spider.
Oh,
Spider.
oh, correct. The next question goes to Pegasus. Which is the largest bird in the world? Peacock, ostrich, parrot, or hummingbird?
Peacock. And peacock.
Wrong answer. It's ostrich, dear. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. And do you know? Pegasus house? Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The correct answer is ostrich. And an ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Now the next question goes to Phoenix house. Phoenix, please unmute yourself. Name an instrument that is used to see heavenly bodies like stars, planets, etc. Is it barometer? Thermometer? Super! Bingo! Correct! Very proud of you, children. Very good. Now, the next question again goes to Cygnus house. Name any one body part which is present in pair. The question goes to Cygnus house, children. Pair means it has two. Eyes. Bingo! Correct. Superb, children. The next question goes to Delphinus house. Delphinus, please be ready. Which planet is called the red planet? Is it Jupiter? Correct. Bingo. Now the next question goes to Pegasus. A male cow is called a hen, bull, lion, or what? Bull. Very good. Correct. Now the next question goes to Phoenix house. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Which part of a plant conducts photosynthesis? Let me tell you what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means it is a process by which the plants prepare their food. So it is stem, roots, flower, or leaves. Your time starts now. Leaves. Very good, Maida. Very good. Correct. Superb. Again, the next question goes to Cygnus house. Dash helps pump blood through the entire body. Is it heart?
Heart.
Superb, Cygnus. Very good. Now the next question goes to Delphinus house. If one boils water, it will convert into slow steam. Correct, Delphinus house. Good, Shefalika. Very good. Now the next question goes to Pegasus house. What is the young one of a frog called? Correct. Next, the next question goes to Phoenix house. Which gas does a plant need to conduct photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
Wow, intelligent, smart answer. Very good, correct. Now, again, the question goes to Cygnus house. Name the largest animal on earth. Blue whale. Correct, it's a correct answer. The next question goes to Delphinus house. Which part of the plant is colorful? Great. Children, you are giving such a nice answer. Wow, superb. I'm really very proud of you. Correct, it's flower. Pegasus house, be ready. Name an animal that lives in a stable. Correct. Excellent. And the next question goes to Phoenix house. Name the smallest planet in solar system. It is
Mercury.
Okay, wow. Great going, children. Very good. Very good. Now, I request Dharmi ma'am to please announce the score after general round.
Very good morning, students. The scores are as follows. Cygnus House, 40. Give a big round of applause. Delphinus, again it's 40. Yeah, great. Pegasus House, 30. Come on, get up. And Phoenix House, again it's 40. So, all the best for the next round. Anandita ma'am, you can continue further.
Thank you, Dharmi ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, coming to next round is visual round. Now, this round is based on Wonder Time. Now, I will come to know how many are watching Wonder Time videos. And the visual round instructions are: this round would be the picture visual round. Each team would be asked one visual based question. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. Okay, so all are ready for the next visual round? And the first question goes to Cygnus House. Identify this type of dinosaur. And your time starts now. Identify this type of dinosaurs, children. Yes, Cygnus House?
Tyrannosaurus. Venus.
Pardon? What it is? Pardon, repeat. Aro, repeat. No, beta, this is wrong answer. It's Brachiosaurus. It is Brachiosaurus. Okay. And do you know what is Brachiosaurus dinosaur do? It was a huge dinosaur with a long giraffe-like neck and elevated nostrils. Okay. Never mind here. There are many questions ahead. Okay. Now the next question goes to Delphinus House. Identify this type of dinosaur and your time starts now.
Stegosaurus. Dinosaur.
Wow, super, children. Very good, Delphinus. Correct. And do you know, it was heavy and slow moving. It used its powerful tail as a defense. Yes. Now the next question goes to Pegasus House. Delphinus, good going. Identify this type of dinosaur, Pegasus House.
Ankylosaurus.
Now.
Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus.
Correct answer. It's Ankylosaurus, and it is a herbivorous animal. What do you mean by herbivorous, children? Means it is a plant eater animal. And do you know it has 72, approximately it has 72 teeth. Okay. Now the next question goes to Phoenix House. Identify this type of dinosaur, Phoenix House. Your time starts now. Yes, you can do it, children. Good. Try.
Triceratops.
Pardon?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. Very good. It's a correct answer. And do you know why it is called Triceratops? Triceratops means three-horned face in Greek. So it was easily recognized. It has three horns. Can you see? Yes. So it is called Triceratops. Now, very good, children. Now this round is over. Now I request Dharmi ma'am to please announce the score after visual round.
Yes, students. In the usual round, Cygnus House, you have not scored anything, dear. It's okay. Keep doing much better. Delphinus House, 10. Pegasus, again 10. And Phoenix, also 10. And the total scores after round 1, that is the general round and the visual round, are Cygnus House, you have scored total of 40 marks. Delphinus, 50. Come on, give a big round of
Good.
applause.
Very good.
Pegasus, 40. And Phoenix House at 50 again. Give a big round of
Great,
applause.
great. Very
Now I
good going,
request
children.
Anandita ma'am to continue further.
Thank you, Dharmi ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, coming to next is the audio round. Let's see the general instructions for audio round. Each team would be asked one audio-based question. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer. No negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. So, are you all ready for the audio round? And the first question goes to Cygnus House. Hear the audio and guess the vehicle. And bike, correct answer. Very good, dear. It's bike. Absolutely right. Now, the next question goes to Delphinus House. Hear the audio and guess the vehicle. And now,
Aeroplane. Auto rickshaw.
sorry, Delphinus House. It's a wrong answer. It's helicopter. No problem. Next question goes to Pegasus House. Hear the audio and guess the vehicle. Aeroplane, Ayash, correct. It's aeroplane. Very good. And the next question goes to Phoenix. Hear the audio and guess the vehicle. Excellent. It's correct, Yomi. It's correct. It's train. Now we have done with our audio round. Now I request Dharvi ma'am to please announce the score after audio round.
Yes, in the audio round, Cygnus House has scored 10 marks. Give a big round of applause.
Great.
Delphinus House, come on, gear up. Next is Pegasus House has also scored 10 marks and Phoenix also 10 marks. Very good, students. And the
Very
total scores after the first, that is general round, visual round and the audio round are as follows. Cygnus House stands at 50. Give a big round of applause. Delphinus again at 50.
Great.
Pegasus 50. Wow, good
Wow.
going. And Phoenix House, it's 60.
Oh,
Come on, now
great.
Anandita ma'am, can you continue further?
Thank you, Dharmi ma'am. Thank you so much. Now the next round is Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat round. Now I can come to know how many are watching Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat videos. And the first question goes to Cygnus House. Name the sweet dish of Maharashtra among this. Is it
Puran
Puran
poli.
Poli?
Puran poli.
Puran Poli. Very good, children. Very good. Now the next question goes to Delphin's house. Name the dance form of Maharashtra among this. Sambalpuri dance.
Poli dance. Poli
Poli
dance.
dance.
Poli dance.
Options, they are giving the answer. Well done, children. Well done. Very good. It's correct. The next question goes to Pegasus house. In Odisha, Raksha Bandhan is called as Guru Purnima, Gama Purnima, Vatta Purnima, or Narli Purnima. Your time starts now.
Narali Purnima.
Sorry, dear, it's a wrong answer. It's Gama Purnima. It's Gama Purnima. Pegasus house. No, don't worry. There are many questions. You will score later. Next, the question goes to Phoenix house. In Odisha, Panna Sankranti is also called as Mahavishubha Sankranti, Gudi Padwa, Makar Sankranti. Pardon?
Mahavishubha.
Wow, great. It's Mahavishubha Sankranti. Correct, Phoenix house. Very good. Now, again, the question goes to Cygnus house. Name the national park of Odisha among this. Bhitarkanika National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Tadoba National Park, or Chandoli National Park. Your time starts now.
A.
Okay, correct. It's Bhitarkanika National Park. Very good, children. Good going. The next question goes to Delphin's house. Which lake is called Brackish Water Lagoon? It is Lonar Lake, Shivsagar Lake, Chulika Lake, or Dal Lake. Your time starts now. Yes, Delphin's house.
Chilika Lake.
Pardon?
Chilika Lake.
Chilika Lake. Correct. It's a correct answer.
Not good answer.
Now, the next question goes to Pegasus house. How many beaches are there in Maharashtra? 29, 92, 89, or 56?
92.
Correct. It's 92. Very good. Next question goes to Phoenix house. Trambakeshwar temple is in dash city of Maharashtra. Nagpur, Pune, Mumbai, or Nasik?
Nasik. Nasik.
Good. It's in Nasik. Excellent. Very good, children. Now, I request Dharmi ma'am to please announce the score after Ek Bharat Shesh Bharat round.
Students, you'll have scored how many marks? Let's see. The Cygnus house has scored 20 marks in Ek Bharat, Shresh Bharat round. Delphinus, again 20 marks. Come on, give a big round of applause, everybody, for yourself. Pegasus house, 10 marks. And Phoenix house, again 20 marks. Very good, students. And the scores after the total scores after the Ek Bharat, Shresh Bharat round are Cygnus at 70. Come on, give a big round of applause, everybody. Delphinus again at 70. Pegasus 60. And Phoenix House, it's 80. Come on, give a big round of applause. Now I request Anandita ma'am to continue further.
Thank you, Dharmi ma'am. Thank you so much. Now the next round is rapid fire round. By the name only you can come to know what it is. I'm going to ask the questions continuously. Let's see the instructions. Each team will be asked to nominate a member from their team. Nominated member will be given 60 seconds for questions asked in this round. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer. No negative marking for wrong answer. Team discussion is allowed. Final scores will be declared after rapid fire round. No, so from Cygnus, who is going to represent? I want one name. Cygnus, please give me the name fast. Should I give the name? Okay, Aroha will represent Cygnus house. Okay? So the question starts for the Cygnus house. Only Aroha will unmute yourself. Rest all mute yourself. Let's start for the Cygnus house. Name our national animal.
Tiger.
Next, correct. Next. What do you call your father's father? Grand?
Grandfather.
Correct. Years are used.
Father.
Years are used to.
Yeah.
Correct. Next. Name any one temporary house.
Skip.
Next. Name the person who mends our shoes. Correct.
Cobbler.
Next. Name the hottest planet. Sorry,
Sun.
it's Venus.
Venus.
Sun is a star, it's not a planet. Which lizard can change colors to match its surroundings?
Time is up, ma'am. Okay, you can continue for this one.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yes. Now, Aro, mute yourself. The next question goes to Delphinus house. Let me know who is going to represent Delphinus house. Please give me the name.
Me.
Tell me the name. Shefalika. Okay.
Shefalika.
Thank you, Shefalika. Okay. The first question goes to Shefalika and your time starts now. Name our national fruit.
Mango.
Correct. Next. In Riya's family, her parents, grandparents, uncle and cousins live together. What type of family is hers?
Joint family.
Correct. Next. You food through our dash.
Teeth.
I want one answer.
Teeth.
Teeth. Okay, correct. Next. Name any one permanent house.
Building.
Okay, correct. Next. Name the person who treats us when we fall sick.
Doctor.
Correct. Next. Name the largest planet.
Jupiter.
Correct.
Yeah, your time is up, students.
Okay, good going. Now the next question goes to Pegasus house. And who is going to represent Pegasus house?
Me. Srishti Ghosh.
Okay, only Srishti will give the answers. If Srishti is not able to give the answer, then others can help her. And are you all ready? Great. I can see all are ready. So the next question goes to Pegasus house. The first question. Name our national river.
Ganga.
Correct. Next. One of you will give the answer. Only one of you. Huh? Shobha is my aunt. Her husband is my
Uncle.
correct. Next. Both hands together have dash fingers.
10 fingers.
Correct. Name the type of house which floats on water.
Houseboat.
Correct. Name the person who works in a garden.
Gardener.
Correct. Which is the farthest planet from the sun?
Neptune.
Pardon?
Neptune.
Okay. Next. Which is the, give any one example of junk food.
Burgers.
Correct.
Your time is up, dear.
Okay. Good going, children. Very good. Now the next question goes to Phoenix House.
Ma'am, me.
Yes. Yomi. Okay. Yomi will represent. Phoenix House, be ready. And the first question is, name any one national day.
Gandhi Jayanti.
Correct. If John is my uncle, I am his.
Niece.
Correct. We taste food through our dash.
Tongue.
Correct. Name one place where we can find houseboats in India.
Kerala.
Correct. You all are doing good job. Name the person who catches thieves and robbers.
Police.
Correct. Name any one constellation.
Ma'am, what is constellation?
Teacher, I've taught you. Think now. If I give the answer, then what is the reason? Use of the quiz.
Milky Way.
Pardon?
Milky Way.
Milky Way.
Your time is up.
No, dear, it's the wrong answer. Delphinus, Phoenix, Cygnus, these are all constellations. Okay. Yes. Good going, children. Very good. You all did a very good job. Now I request Dharmi ma'am to please announce the score after this rapid fire round.
Very well done, students. After the rapid fire round, the scores are: Cygnus has scored 50 marks. Give a big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Then
Very
the
good.
Delphinus house, it has secured 60 marks. Delphinus, 60. Pegasus, very good, 70 marks. And Phoenix at 50. Give a big round of applause, everybody.
Very good, children.
Now, hold your breath. Let's see the final scores after all the rounds. The final countdown. Any guesses who has scored? Okay.
No guesses? Okay, we will wait.
Okay. Now, Cygnus house, the total scores is 120. Wow.
Great.
There is a tie between the Delphinus house, Pegasus house, and Phoenix house also. All have scored 130 marks. 130, 130. Give a big round of applause. Now I request Anandita ma'am to go for the tiebreaker round, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Cygnus house will not give the answer. Okay. Only I am asking this question to Delphinus house, Pegasus house, and Phoenix house. Be very vigilant, children. Be very vigilant. Okay. Your time starts now. The next question is. Identify this dinosaur.
Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Phoenix has given the answer.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Wait. I got the Phoenix has given the correct answer. So Phoenix got first. So I am giving the answer to Phoenix house. Now
Give the answer first.
Phoenix has given beta. Myra Mahajan has given the correct answer first. Okay. Then hello. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
there is tiebreaker between.
Delphinus and Pegasus House. Only Delphinus and Pegasus House will give the answer. Rest all mute yourself. And the question is, here we go. Pachitra is a picture on a piece of dash. Pachitra is a picture on a piece of dash.
Peacock.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer.
Cloth.
Yeah, Pegasus gave that answer wrong. So I will consider Blue House as,
Avika gave it correct. Avika told cloth.
and later she gave the answer, no?
No, that has to be considered, but because Pegasus gave a wrong answer
Okay,
and
ma'am.
she gave a correct answer, no? So consider Avika's answer.
Okay, Avika, you gave the correct answer. So, Avika, which house?
Delphinus is, no?
Delphinus house. So, Delphinus house is getting the marks. Great. Now, I request Dharmi ma'am, please announce the score, final score.
The final scores, now there is a tie between the Delphinus house and the Phoenix house. So Anandita
Okay.
ma'am, kindly
Okay.
ask questions for them.
Okay, ma'am. One more question. Delphinus house and Phoenix house.
Both the houses be ready and you will only give the answers. Only Delphinus and Phoenix house.
Delphinus and Phoenix, be ready. Your next question is, Dalma is made from dash and dash. Dalma is made from dash and dash.
Rice and dal.
No, Delphinus, it's a wrong answer. It's dal and vegetables. It's dal and vegetables. Okay? So, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Dharmi ma'am, can you announce the final scores?
Yes ma'am, give me a minute time.
Yes. Good going, children. You have all done a fabulous job. You have given the answers so nicely, so confidently.
Please
I'm
clap for
very,
yourselves,
very
everyone.
happy. Clap for yourself. Big round of applause to all of you. Enjoy this music.
Yeah, just reduce the volume of the music, Prajakta, 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now again, the scores of Phoenix and Delphinus is coming the same. Now, understand one thing, children, again, you will be asked one more question because again, it's coming to be the same scores for both the houses. So, Phoenix and Delphinus will again be put across one question. And the one who will answer first who will answer first correctly will get the marks. If that house doesn't answer correct, the question should be passed on to the next house, Anandita. And
Yes,
if
ma'am.
the next house also doesn't answer correct, then both will get 0 marks. Okay, then again we
Okay.
have to again put across one more question.
Okay,
Is that
ma'am.
very clear? If the question is not there on the screen, you can speak it verbally also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
Verbally also
there.
they need to. Yeah, it's there. No, okay, fine. So we'll start now. Grades 1 and 2 children. We'll start with Phoenix and Delphina's house. Anandita ma'am will put
Yes,
across
ma'am.
to you one question. Anandita, understand if one house answers it wrong, then pass it on to the next. Give the chance to the next house, and if
Okay, ma'am.
within fraction of seconds they need to answer. If they fail to answer, then again both will be again put up with one more question. Unless and
Okay,
until they
ma'am.
don't give a correct answer, we cannot go ahead. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, let's start.
The next question is for Red House, that is Phoenix and Delphinus House, is Chaiti Goda is also known as the dash. Pardon?
Folk dance. Folk dance.
No, it's a
Folk dance.
wrong answer, Delphinus. It's a wrong answer. Chaiti Goda is also known as. Next, who can give me the answer? Next
Horse
house.
dance. Raigad.
Phoenix House. Phoenix House. Do you know the answer?
Raigad.
No, it's a wrong answer. It's a wrong answer. It's a wrong
Horse
answer.
dance.
No, it's a wrong answer.
R-A-U-T.
R-A. Next. Alibag is the main beach. Anybody can give the answer? For Chaiti Goda is also known as dash. Nobody?
This is the
Next.
Kaipatra. Kaipatra.
Alibag is the main beach. Pardon?
Next
Anandita,
question.
don't mix the questions. Once one question is done, go on to the next one. Do not repeat the previous question again.
Okay, ma'am. Alibag is the main beach in dash district of Maharashtra.
Raigad. Bombay.
Who gave Raigad?
Inaya.
Inaya.
Raigad.
Yes, ma'am.
Raigad.
Yes.
Myra Mahajan said it.
Myra is from Red House, Phoenix House. Yes, correct. So now we got the finals. Now can you please announce the score, Dharmi ma'am?
Anandita,
Yes, ma'am.
can we get another one more question? Because this answer was given by both the houses at the same time when I saw it. So we'll require one more question because I saw Avika also giving the answer, even Myra giving the answer.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
I want one more question to be put up. Even if it is not typed there, you can speak it verbally. Children will listen. Prajakta, if it's not there, let them let Anandita ma'am speak the question. But be very clear when you ask the question. And the other teachers will just check who gives the answer first. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Just a
Yeah.
minute, ma'am.
Prajakta, ready at the back end? Prajakta ma'am, you there?
Prajakta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have the question.
Okay, done.
Please.
So we'll wait for the question.
Yes,
When the
ma'am.
question comes, Monica, just check who gives the answer first. Even I'm checking from my end.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Phoenix and the other house, Delphinus, please do not in chorus answers because it becomes very difficult. Just select one child from your group. Only that person will answer. From Delphinus, who is coming to give the answer? From Delphinus, who is coming?
Avika.
Avika is there from Delphinus. Okay. And from Phoenix house, who is ready to give the answer?
Yomi. Yomi.
Vyomi. Okay. Rest all will mute their mics. I only want Avika and Vyomi to be there. Unmuted. Only Vyomi and the other one, Avika, should unmute themselves. Only they both. No mass answering, no chorus answers. If your house, if somebody gives the chorus answers, the marks will be deducted. Remember this, children, because it becomes very difficult otherwise for us to gauge. Okay?
So only Avika and Yomi will give the answer. Others,
Yes,
please
exactly.
mute yourself. Okay?
Okay. Chalo, Monica, just keep an eye. Even I am checking from my side. Let's see. It has to be a fair quiz competition. Prajakta, if ready, put the question. All the best, everybody.
Dash is situated in the
Dash is situated in the city of Behrampur. Dash Park is situated in the city of Behrampur.
Both of you should switch on your cameras. Don't switch it off.
Yes.
Ma'am, should I answer?
Yes, tell. Himaya is giving answer.
Biju Patnaik. Biju Patnaik.
Pardon?
Yes, Hima has got it correct.
Yes, Himaya, you are correct. Biju, yes, excellent. You are correct, Himaya. So Delphinus has got the points. Very good.
Wait, but Anandita, we said only Avika or the other girl will answer, not the other person from that group. The instructions were very clear to everybody. Either Avika or the other person who is there, that only these two girls will answer. Myra, I think. Nobody else will answer. So if they don't know the answer, we have to go on to the next question. If somebody else gives the answer, then the marks will be deducted. Children, understand this. I don't want to be so harsh with grade 1 and 2 children. I will not deduct the marks now. Please do not give the chorus answers. Only Avika and the other girl, Myra, if I'm not wrong, or Vyomi, who is there, only these two children will be answering. Nobody else will give the answers, even if you know. Okay? Only these two girls, and I want both the girls' cameras to be switched on. Did
So
you
next
understand,
question.
girls? Did you understand, girls? And the other members, please support your group because it is extending too much. So let us keep our mics on mute. Only these two girls will answer. Okay? Chalo, we'll go to the next question.
Yes. Next question.
Diamond Water Park is one of the best water park in dash.
Maharashtra. Maharashtra.
Avika, it's a wrong answer.
Where
The other-
exactly in
sorry.
Maharashtra?
Maharashtra.
Sorry, Avika, it's a correct answer. Bingo.
What she said?
Avika,
Avika has given the correct answer, ma'am.
yes,
Avika has given the
both
correct
of them
answer.
gave the correct answer, but Avika said it first.
Avika has
Even
said
we-
first, right?
Yes,
Okay,
both
so
of them
consider
gave the
that
correct
on.
answer, but Avika
Okay.
gave the answer first.
Okay, so
So
consider
Avika
that
is
and give the final scores now. Congratulations, everyone. Yeah, Dharmi, calculate now.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all my dear students. Please don't be disappointed. This is just a competition. Nobody is a loser or nobody is a winner. Don't be demotivated or something of that sort. Now I will announce the final scores. On the fourth position, we are having the Cygnus House. Give a big round of applause. On the third position, we are having the Pegasus House. Very good. Come on, give a big round of applause, students.
Clap,
Everybody
children,
clap for
clap.
you.
Big round of applause. Good going. Very nicely you did. Good.
On the second position, we are having the Phoenix House. And today's winner is the Delphinus House. Very good.
Congratulations to all of you children. Very good. Good going. And for me, all our winners, you all gave very good answer. Keep it up. So, now, a heartiest congratulations to all my dear students. You all gave your best. For those who participated and those who have won the competition. On behalf of Rainbow International School, I would like to thank my heads, my co-teachers, all the participants and parents for supporting us in making this event successful. Our children have made us proud again. They all performed well. All the best for your future competitions and congratulations once again. Thank you. Have a nice day.